Hello everyone, welcome to CHCP. My name is Elizabeth Legault, but please feel free to call me Liza. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. I live 30 minutes north of Boston, Massachusetts. I'm married with 2 children. I started teaching in 1993, 3rd grade. I taught that for 12 years. And then I decided I wanted to work with older kids, so I bumped up to 6th grade, and I taught that for another 6 years. And then I retired in 2011 after having my second child, so I could stay home with my children. So I decided to teach online and kind of get a full-time job teaching. And I started teaching online in 2008, and I've been teaching ever since. I've been teaching some education classes, and also I've been teaching a lot of math. I'm really a big fan of math. I'm sure some of you might fear math, and that's okay. I'm hopefully going to make math feel very comfortable to you by the end of the course. I try to make math fun. I hope that you and math can become friends by the end of the course. Just a little more information. My office hours are posted in the classroom. The best place to contact me is via email or via the inbox. My email comes directly to my phone, so that way I can respond to it faster. My phone number is also in the classroom if you would need to call me. I'm really excited to work with you this course. I can't wait. Let's just pop over to the class so I can show you where a few of these things are found. In the announcements, I've posted my instructor contact information. So here's my name and my email and my phone number. This is my office phone, so you won't be able to text me on this phone. You can leave a voicemail if I'm not there, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. You can find my office hours in the modules right here under office hours. I'm basically around all the time, available anytime you need help. If I'm not available, I'll let you know when I can meet up with you. We can schedule a time to meet, or you can email me a specific question and I will get back to you within 12 to 24 hours. I'm really excited to work with you this quarter. I can't wait, and hopefully we're going to have a really good experience. If you need anything, please feel free to reach out to me at any time. I am here for you, and I can't wait to work with you.